Okay, hello everyone. I'm Thu Ta and welcome to my YouTube channel. You can call me Mr. Thu Ta, and today I will be sharing about my very first YouTube channel video and especially about the topics on the investment finance in IT career. So I would like to introduce myself right now. I am an MBA student currently in Bangkok University, and which is in Thailand. And here, within last 6 months, I participated in CFA Research Challenge. It's called it's organized by the CFA Institute, CFA Research Challenge in 2024. And unfortunately, I got as a semi-finalist, not as a finalist, but as a semi-finalist winner. And I would like to show you my certification. This one. This is my name, Mr. Thu Ta, and yeah, I passed like a CFA semi-finalist. It's very competitive, very it's very dedicated, really dedicated. So in this upcoming lecture video, I will be sharing about my experience, how to win any CFA challenge. And so if you would like to know, I will be sharing some. And also, so I'm also a Microsoft certified trainer as in certification, and I hold many of the certifications like data science, data analytics, Power BI, and cloud solution architect. And yeah, I'm holding currently right now this certification. So it's not, my channel is not about the finance and investment finance. That's also about the IT topics I will be sharing. So okay, so if you would like to know and enjoy the best of my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Soon I will be uploading my very first lecture video and my very first knowledge sharing, and it will be a little more fun and creative. Okay, don't forget to subscribe now. Thank you.